What's up, Major? Here we are. Jackson. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Cool. Here we are, Bear River Lake. Got the Jeep, the dog, mommy, sexy mommy. There's sexy mommy. We're gonna try and find the ball. Ball. Oh, he's got the ball? Major, let me throw the ball for you. Okay, buddy. Drop it. Hey, drop it. Good boy. Ready? 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 Go get it. Good boy, Major. What's up, dude? All right. Let's go back over there. Jackson. Dude. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah, getting your, all right. Get those vocal cords warmed up. Yeah. Wow. Good job, dude. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Look at the boo-boo on your nose. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that boo-boo on your nose. Good job, Mommy. Well, that Mommy gets a signature on that one.
Yep.
Yeah. Huh, Mom?
Yep, that was me.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Go for it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Okay, left-handed, okay? Go get it. Beautiful lake. Bear River, this is where Adam and I go fishing every year. Beautiful country up here. Just beautiful. People over there on the point. There's the dam. The dam. And here we are right here. Here we are. It's our hangout. It's our beer drinking hangout. Ah, buddy. Okay. Dude. Jackson. Yeah. Ooh. Jackson. Buddy. You don't want to do it? You don't want to do the smacking? Ooh, such a serious look.
Well,
such a,
you know what he's doing, right?
Is he pooping?
Yeah.
You pooping again? You already had like 3 today. Oh, there we go. Yay for Jackson! Yeah! Yeah! Getting good at that, dude. Good job, buddy. Good job. Okay.